Come on friends, let's start the day with Pippy and the letter A.
Walking through the jungle, what do I see? A big red apple on a tree.
Reach up high, stretch your nose. That's how a hungry elephant goes.
Got the apple, crunchy and sweet. Letter A is such a treat.
Look down low upon the ground. A tiny ant is what we found.
Hello, Mr. Ant, how do you do?
Pippy wants to play with you.
Now I'm an astronaut, flying high, counting stars up in the sky.
See the alligator in the lake.
A is for the friends we make.
Where is A? Can you see?
It's hiding there behind the tree. We love A, it's number one. Learning letters is so much fun. Thank you,
Little Heroes Land, for teaching us and holding our hand.
we love to learn with Pippy too. See you next time, we love you. B is the letter, B is for sound. Look at the wonders that we have found. Pippy is ready, let's start the show. With the letter B, here we go! B is for bear, big and strong. B is for bee, singing a song. Bear, let's sing it loud. Bear, we're feeling proud. Uppercase B, 1 and 2. Pippy loves the letter B. Do you? B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. B is for butterfly, flying all around. B is for banana, yellow and sweet. B is for boat, a tropical tree. B is
it
for
says
blue,
boat.
like the sky above. B is the letter God we really love. Bear, let's sing it loud. Bear, we're feeling proud. Uppercase B, 1 and 2. Pippy loves the letter B. Do you? Pippy found the box. What's inside? A little bunny trying to hide. The bunny has a bell. Ding dong ding. Now all the forest starts to sing. Can you find the bee? Look around the tree. Is it behind the bush? Let's go and see. There it is, big and bright. The letter B is a happy sight. Bear, let's sing it loud. Bear, we're feeling proud.
I did it
Uppercase
too.
B, 1 and 2. Pippy loves the letter B. Do you? Thank you, Little Heroes Land, for teaching us and holding our hand. We love to learn with Pippy too. See you next time. We love you! Thank you. Thank you, Little Heroes Land. Brett's button. Come along, kids. It's a happy day. With the letter C, we're going to play. Pippy is here. Let's make a sound. Look at the wonders that we found. C is for cat, soft and sweet. C is for cake, a yummy treat. C, let's sing it loud. C, we're feeling proud. Uppercase C, a big round curve. it's hiding today behind the cactus, not far away. There it is, glowing and bright. The letter C is a happy sight. Cook-a-see, let's sing it loud. Oak-a-see, we're feeling proud. Uppercase C, a big round curve. Pippy loves the letter C. Thank you, Little Heroes Land, for teaching us and holding our hand. We love to learn with Pippy too. See you next time. We love you.